You are walking past a pile of cash every single day, and you do not even see it. It is buried in legal jargon, hidden in dusty court filings, and tucked away in massive corporate accounts. We have all been there. We buy a product, it does not work right, or a company overcharges us for a service, and we just shrug it off because life is too busy to complain. But those small grievances add up to billions of dollars in settlement funds that a judge has already ordered these companies to pay back. Most of that money just sits there unclaimed, because the paperwork is usually a nightmare. I decided to stop letting my share of that cash sit in a corporate vault. I started using a tool that acts like a bloodhound for your bank account, and it has been one of the most surprising additions to my financial routine. It is called MoneyPilot. The whole experience starts with an onboarding process that is actually smooth for once. No one wants to spend an afternoon uploading bank statements or digging through shoeboxes of old receipts. This does not ask for any of that. It just asks a few simple questions about your life. Where do you buy groceries? Which phone carrier have you used? Have you ever owned a specific type of car or shopped at certain retailers? It is all very non-intrusive. Once you answer, the dashboard fills up with money you can actually claim. I was shocked to see how much I had missed. I consider myself a pretty informed person, but these settlements are often buried in the back of the news where no one looks. This tool filters everything. It prioritizes the cases where you have the best chance of getting paid, and the payouts can be significant. For the smaller consumer products, the process is almost too easy. You literally click one button to file the claim. No proof of purchase is required for many of these payouts. It is just there. The platform tracks all the deadlines for you, and it sends you a little nudge when a new settlement goes live. So far, I've reclaimed over $750. This is not theoretical money. It is actual cash from purchases I made years ago and completely forgot about. It feels like finding a $20 bill in an old coat pocket, but it happens every single month. Beyond the settlements, there's a subscription tracker that is actually useful. Most bank apps are cluttered and confusing. This one is simple. It found streaming services I had not opened in a year, and a gym membership I thought I had canceled ages ago. That alone saved me another $180. It gives you a clear, digestible look at where your money is going without any judgment. There is a small monthly cost to use it, but the math worked out in my favor almost immediately. It is like having a personal assistant who only cares about getting your money back. The design is calm and modern, with no fake countdown timers or annoying notifications. If you've spent money on basically anything in the last decade, there's almost certainly a settlement out there with your name on it. You just need a way to find it without losing your mind in the process. Stop leaving your money in the hands of corporate lawyers. Get it back into your own pocket. It is your money. You might as well claim it. It is as easy as it could be, and the benefits are immediate, measurable, and consistent. I wish I had started using this sooner. It is a rare service that keeps delivering month after month with almost zero work. Start putting that cash back where it belongs, in your own account.